This is a man's world. This is a man's world.
This is Dinah Lance.
But it would be nothing.
But she prefers Black Canary.
Nothing.
She's got a killer voice.
Without a woman or a girl.
Isn't that Joker's girl? Not anymore.
Got room for one more?
I need your help. I got this.
You got this? You sure about that? Yeah, no wonder everyone hates you.
What the hell are you doing here? You're not the only one who makes money off of dumb rich white people. You know what? One day you're gonna pick the wrong pocket, sis.
Okay.
Whatever. Shit, gas.
It's gonna get you out of here.
Did she really take you to a damn toilet?
Yeah!
I'm not letting you sell the kid to him.
I wasn't going to sell the kid. I was going to trade the kid.
Yeah, to save your own stupid skin, huh?
Shit! Down here!
You okay?
Thanks!
Hands on? Yeah. Get back here, kid!
Has anyone got any bullets?
Fuck him out!
I can't get out there. I just need to get through. We gotta go. We gotta move. Guys.
Cover your ears! Better get her back!
Told you she had a killer voice. We got the secret bank codes off the diner, and Huntress got her family money back. She's using it to fund a little crime-fighting outfit. They call themselves the Birds of Prey. I call them dorky little do-gooders.